Greeting everyone, I'm Jiayuan Zhou, a third-year PhD student from Queen's University, and I'm also a member of Cell Lab. Today, I will present our paper, which is a case study of Stack Overflow Bounty. This paper is done together with Shaowei from Mississippi State University, Popov from University of Albert, and Ahmed from Queen's University. Due to the power of crowdsourcing, Stack Overflow has become an essential tool for developers. From this figure, we can find the number of new questions is rapidly increasing. However, the number of solved questions is dropping. It is becoming difficult to get an answer to all questions. In an attempt to improve the visibility and bring attention for unsolved questions, Stack Overflow introduced a reputation-based bounty mechanisms to motivate users to solve questions. In these mechanisms, a user can offer reputation points as a bounty on a question. The bounty question will be highlighted with a special tag and shown on the home page. More specifically speaking, on the third day after a question is asked, anyone can propose a bounty on it, and the bounty will be inactive for 7 days. The user can award satisfied answer between the 4th day and the 11 days. With a preliminary study, we found that the long-standing unsolved questions with bounty are more likely to be solved than these without bounties. In this figure, the x-axis is the question remain unsolved after 100 days, and the y-axis is the question solving rate. We observe that for the long-standing questions, the solving rate is 55% for the bounty questions and only 1.7% for the non-bounty questions. Although bounty has been used since 2009, we still don't know how helpful are bounty in solving questions. For example, what is the associations with bounty and the solving likelihood of questions? Will bounty help questions get solved faster? In order to answer such questions, we collected around 129,000 bounty questions and 12 million non-bounty questions. Then we extract 42 study factors. These factors are along bounty-related, user-related, question-related, and tag-related dimensions. We consider the last 3 types of factors as the control factors in our study. In order to capture the nonlinearity of the association between the study factors and the response factors, we employ the nonlinear logistic regression model in our work. We use AUC to evaluate the performance of the model and a wild chi-square test to interpret the impact of factors in our models. To study the association between factors and solving likelihood of bounty questions, we focus on the solved and unsolved bounty questions. We first conduct a correlation and redundancy analysis on the study factors, and then construct the solving likelihood model. To study the association between factors and the solving speed of bounty questions, we focus on the fast and slow solved bounty questions. Then we conduct the same analysis to build solving speed model. The median AUC for the solving likelihood model is 0.71, and for the solving speed model is 0.82, which indicate our model explains our dataset well. We observe that the bounty value is the important factor in solving likelihood model. The figure shows the solving likelihood of bounty questions against the bounty value. With a higher bounty value, the bounty question is more likely to be solved. We also find the timing of offering bounty is important. The earlier offer a bounty to a question, the higher likelihood of the question to be solved. However, we found that the bounty-related factors are less important in solving speed model. The question-related, user-related, and tag-related factors are more important than bounty-related model factor. Especially, a higher valued bounty does not help a question get solved faster. My research focuses on the monetary and non-monetary extrinsic incentives in crowdsourced software engineering. We have another work regarding the monetary bounty in GitHub, Welcome to check that work if you are interested. To summarize our study, we studied a bounty in Stack Overflow. We collect 129,000 bounty questions and extract 42 factors for our study. We observed that long-standing unsolved questions with bounty are more likely to be solved. We also observed that bounty are not a silver bullet for getting a question solved faster. Thank you.